Hey YouTube, this is Tanner here from FCP Euro for another really quick product review. Today we have an ignition kit for your N52 powered cars. Those cars were produced from 04 until 2015 by BMW, which is actually quite a range, even though a lot of them transitioned from N52 to maybe N55, N54, or a range of other engines. So the reason this is important is once you start feeling misfire issues, maybe your car is not feeling the same as it used to, or it's hesitating, or you're just doing routine maintenance, it's a great thing to change out. We have the Bosch coils and the NGK Iridium R spark plugs. Now, these are what I've always used in my personal vehicles, and I highly recommend them. They're, really good quality, and as always lasts, it's equivalent to genuine parts. So that will make sure your vehicle is running healthy for a long time to come. The Bosch coil pack and NGK Iridium R spark plugs are going to fit just like your genuine products. However, the NGK Iridium R spark plugs are a little bit better in ignition than the factory parts. So when you're installing these on your N52 engine, make sure you use a little dielectric grease, because these fittings like to get stuck down on the spark plugs when you're pulling them out, and sometimes they can rip off. So you want to make sure you do that, otherwise you're going to be spending time fishing out a piece of rubber around a spark plug for quite some time. If you're interested in installing this kit, check out the installation video we just did for your N52 powered car ignition coil service. This has been another really quick product review. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell.